A big thank you for liking my videos, and today I will show you a few more. We'll draw a lotus today. We'll begin with drawing the center. Okay, can you see it? Can you see it a little more? Can you see it? Okay, with a darker color. Okay, the center portion first, and then you will bring it out like this. One, on both sides you will extend it out and then extend it out again slowly, and then touch it. So your lotus here is ready. You do the center first. Okay, do this, then bring it out on both sides, bring it out like this, and then bring it in. Alright, then you have the leaves. You will have to, like this, get the center leaf and this, and then you have the stem. Got it? Now this can be colored with pink, lighter pink. Go first, take the outline of the lotus and then do the outline first, then you have the shape, then accordingly you can color it inside. Do the same here. If you want to join the online classes, you can send a message or comment below. The easy way of teaching kids how to draw lotus. For the shape, outline of the shape, and then color in one direction. The same here. You can pin it to the board, your paper, and then you can do green. You can decide what green you want, the light, the dark, and do the same here too. And your lotus is ready. Next one, we are moving on to different type of thing. What happened yesterday was I recorded it and the voice disturbance was there, so I had to redo it. So I'm turning at the back and I'm redoing the whole thing again. You will first draw this and then coming to the center, watch this closely. You will do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now on this, you're going to draw fine line from inside out, inside out. And then and continue. Next one is a tree. All of you know the letter C. We're going to give it various variations and extend it like this. This could be your first time you're drawing a tree. Take in the shape first. This is a shape. Color according to the shape. Now since it's a tree, sometimes we notice there are light leaves and dark leaves. The side in which the sunlight falls first has more of light leaves, and the side in which the sunlight falls little has lighter green leaves. Okay? This portion, we take it as the lighter green. We go according to the shape of the tree, and we blend this here. Yeah. This is one tree. Now this can be shaded out a little, that it looks. Yeah. And this is blended into this. And next tree would be a tree like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Since we made this look as the sunlight was on this side, so this will have more of green leaves, lighter green leaves. And here we will draw in the sun, the orange, the red will come in. And all these stems will have shades of filled with brown. The next one one is going to have be a lot of how you draw buds. Let's show you this. That is the next one. Hope you like this exercise, and we move on to the next one like this, and the U, right? And you take in the green, uh, one, and the green. Next one will be with the red. And let's try out variation of colors for the buds. One, two, and a bigger bud. And green. Notice the leaf of this will be like this, zigzag, zigzag. Okay, look at this. Because one, come in. Okay, and the next one would be to color this. And you must color within the shape. No white gaps, no spots be left in between. Very lightly I'm going to do this. I will darken this again. Take in yellow. We'll try out the same thing for practice, but one. Okay, this step done. Do this and do this and do this. And now I'm going to darken these steps one. Okay. Look at this. Slowly you do this. First step will be the center, the which we have practiced twice, the bud shape, and then you also do a shape here and bring it down and okay. Now you can color it. You can do with double colors too. I'm taking orange. Orange, and I'm going to take yellow. I'm going to merge this yellow and orange flower. Okay, the orange. I'm going to take yellow, all your small broken pieces, you can try out these double coloring, so that even if it gets colored, you'll be fine. The small bits that get left over, you can try out this method with your oil pastels. With bricks, take the bits and try out the double combo. And it's again orange. Remove the extra color from the thing and then color. And you notice I've taken orange and I merged it with yellow on top here. I've done the same for all this. Now I'm using the green. There's one shade of green and taking the shade and color it so that you color within the shape. It's important when you color within the shape. Yeah, color. This is your completed picture. Alright. Thank you for watching.